Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well in your houses. So today's recipe is gonna be the best omelet recipe you'll ever eat because it's full of vegetables, healthy, and especially if you're trying to lose weight, you're gonna love it. So without wasting more time, let's head to the recipe and the ingredients that we're gonna be needing for this omelet recipe of today. So for this purpose, I'm gonna take one small sized tomato and we're gonna cut it first vertically and then horizontally. We wouldn't want any bigger chunks in our omelet because that's how it tastes better. Next ingredient is coriander leaves. We're gonna chop it finely and then we're gonna add it into the bowl. Here I've taken a little piece of capsicum and then we're gonna cut it the same way we cut the tomato. A little piece of onion I took here because the onion I had was big, so you can take a small one. Chop it. A little bit of cabbage. I use the julienne cut here because that's how I like it in my omelet. You can choose to cut it into cubes. Now add everything together into the bowl. And add the spices. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now you can adjust the quantity of the spices according to your liking. That's what I always say. 1 tablespoon of milk. Milk I added it because it gets you rid of any lumps that you would get because of the spices and mixes everything together. So here I added 2 eggs and we're gonna mix it all away so everything combines together. We're gonna be heating a pan, the legendary pan, and then we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of butter into it and we're gonna let it melt and heat. When the butter is melted, we're gonna add the omelet mix and spread all the vegetables evenly into the pan. We're gonna let it cook until the bottom is cooked. Here you can see I'm just moving the spatula around the corners to make sure that the omelet is cooked from the bottom. You can try to lift it without breaking it, and then we're gonna flip it over to cook the other side. This is a method which is so good if you don't want to break the shape of your omelet. If you want to maintain it, you can just flip it like that. It's the easiest way. And we're gonna put it back onto the stove to cook the other side as well. And then you're gonna check the bottom, the other side, to make sure that it's cooked as well and it's got the color. And if you think it did, you're just gonna flip it over and your omelet is ready. So here you can see that without breaking or anything, we just got that perfect shade omelet out of our pan. Here I like it with more spices, so I added some chili sauce at the end. You can choose to or not as you wish. If you're not trying to lose weight or if you want it to be even better, you can add some cheese while you're mixing everything together into the mixed omelet after adding the eggs, and that will give you a cheesier omelet. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.